It's time for adventure. Come join the fun. Kids Adventure Stories has just begun.
Today's story is The Tiger versus the Lion. In the wild heart of the emerald jungle, where golden rivers cut through thick green forests, two mighty kings ruled the land, but from different worlds. To the west ruled Ragnar, the Lion King, strong, proud, and known for his thunderous roar that could silence even the winds. To the east reigned Kiro, the tiger, silent, fierce, and respected for his cunning and unmatched strength. For many seasons, peace lay between their lands. Each king ruled his territory, and the jungle thrived. But one summer, the golden river, which flowed between their kingdoms, began to dry. The fish vanished, the grass turned pale, and thirst swept across the plains. Both rulers believed the other was stealing the river's flow. And pride, the sharpest weapon of all, began to stir in their hearts. Under a blazing sun, Ragnar stood at the edge of the dry riverbed. "The water once sang for my lions," he growled. "Now it runs silent because of him." Far across the valley, Kiro's amber eyes narrowed. "I take only what the forest gives," he replied coldly. "But greed has no home in my jungle." That night, the moon shone red, a sign of war. Ragnar's roars echoed across the cliffs. Kiro answered with a thunderous growl that rolled through the forest like lightning. The battle for the throne had begun. Dawn broke, and the air filled with dust and tension. Animals hid in burrows and treetops as the two kings faced each other by the dying riverbed. Ragnar's mane glowed like fire under the sun. Kiro's stripes rippled like storm shadows. They circled, their eyes locked, pride against pride. The first blow came fast. Ragnar lunged, claws slashing, but Kiro dodged with tiger's grace. He countered, landing a powerful strike that shook the ground. Their roars collided like thunder in storm. Water splashed, trees cracked, and the earth trembled. It was no longer a fight for land, it was a battle for honor. Amidst the chaos, a small sound peered through the fury. A faint cry. Both kings froze. From the edge of the river, a baby monkey clung desperately to a branch above the rushing current. The fight stopped. Kiro's eyes darted to the child, then back to Ragnar. Without hesitation, Kiro leapt into the river. The water roared around him, dragging him under. For a moment, it seemed he was lost, until he burst back through the waves, clutching the baby monkey gently between his teeth. He placed it safely on the bank, breathing heavily. The jungle fell silent once more. Ragnar stared at Kiro, his rival, his enemy, standing tall, drenched, and noble. Kiro. A king's power means nothing if he cannot protect the smallest of his own. Ragnar, lowering his head. And I forgot what it means to be a king. He stepped forward and bowed deeply. The lions and tigers watching from the shadows gasped. Never had two kings bowed to one another. Days turned to weeks. The golden river began to flow again, clear and strong, fed by distant mountains awakened by the rains. Side by side, Kiro and Ragnar rebuilt the jungle's harmony. The tiger guarded the forests, the lion watched the plains. Together they ruled as brothers, not rivals. The animals, once fearful, now roamed freely, safe under the protection of two hearts that had learnt the greatest truth of all, that pride divides, but compassion unites even kings.